I'm rice. If you soak me and put me in the fridge, I'll become poisonous material that can poison you. Get me out of the fridge quickly! I'm garlic. The fridge cold turns me into a toxic substance that attacks the liver. Get me out of the fridge quickly and don't store me in it. And I'm ginger. The fridge cold turns my oils into substances that attack the stomach and cause you severe pain. Get me out of the fridge. And I'm the onion. The fridge cold makes me oxidize quickly and grow bacteria that cause acute poisoning. Get me out of the fridge.